All right, we're going to sing a song called My Jesus Fair, and I hope it's a blessing to you. We are not aiming to get an Emmy, a Grammy, or anything else. So we're not professionals, but, every once in a while, just putting yourself out there to give God some glory is a good thing to do. And we just hope it's a blessing to you. Just think about who Jesus Christ is to you. And I don't know everybody here. I assume most everybody here is saved, but if there's somebody here that doesn't know how beautiful and how fair he is, our goal today is just to point out how wonderful he is. Amen. And make him more attractive. My Jesus fair was pierced by thorns, grown from the fall. Thus he who gave the curse was torn to end that curse for all.
My Jesus meek was scorned by man in blasphemy. Father, forgive their senseless sin. He prayed for them for me.
O love divine, O matchless grace, that God should die for men. With joyful grief I lift my praise, abhorring all my sin, adoring only him. My Jesus kind was torn by nails of cruel men, and to his cross as grace prevailed, God pinned my wretched sin.
My Jesus pure was crushed by God in judgment just. The Father great turned his rod on Christ, made sin for us.
My Jesus strong shall come to reign in majesty. The Lamb arose and death is slain. Lord, come in victory. O love divine, O matchless grace, that God should die for men. With joyful grief I lift my praise, abhorring all my sin, adoring only him. O love divine, O matchless grace, that God should die for men. With joyful grief I lift my praise,